This is a cold startup on a 2021 Toyota Tacoma SR5 with the stock exhaust. What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we got a banger. So first and foremost, I just want to say thank you, Virginia, okay, for having nice weather for once in like years, it feels like. But nonetheless, today we got a banger because we got an actual mod install. Before we get into the install, which is inside the truck, let me address something in the bed of the truck. Of course, it's locked, of course. So, as you guys know, I got these crates as storage, so they're supposed to be organized storage. But, yeah, we got a little bit of a mess. So, I went to Walmart yesterday because, well, they got these for a really good price. So, I got two more. I think this should solve the problem. Alright, so in this one, what we're going to do is we're going to do ropes and bungee cords and zip ties. Nice. In this one, we're going to do tapes and honestly, stuff that aren't really tools to anybody else but me. Alrighty, inside of here, I guess we can do actual tools. I thought I had more. This is like the worst set of tools ever. Random stuff in here and my tie down stuff in here. I also got some sockets and a few other things in this box. And then I'm honestly embarrassed to call these traction boards. Bada boom, bada bing. We are looking absolutely snazzy. We got our crates, all our tools are organized, and now also, I gotta put this inside the trunk. This just happened. Alright, so getting into today's video, we actually have a modification that I did on my last truck. And it seemed like a lot of people actually liked it. Sandy liked it, and everyone else who rode in the truck liked it, so might as well do it again. We're doing some RGB lighting inside the truck. I will admit this is a little bit of an install process, so I wanted to do it now while there's still sunlight out and then show you guys what it looks like at night. So let's get right into it. If you're interested in this kit, it will be linked down below. Literally comes with what's necessary: 4 LED strips, lots of cable, a USB plug, and you can actually control this from your phone. So at least for me, I have one open USB slot. So I'm gonna plug the USB in. This is what gives it power. I'll plug it in there and run it out this way. Alrighty, so I just finished up the install. It went actually way better than I expected. Most of the modifications I do, I end up finishing them and then like, that is probably gonna break, but this one, I'm confident. There's 3 real parts to this. One is getting everything lined up. As far as the driver's side, we put the strip right there, put the passenger side right there, and put the rear passenger right there. That little bit that's hanging down is where it's actually at. We did the same on the other side. Once you get everything situated where you want it to go, now it's time to do wiring. Now I will say this, take your time while you're doing the wiring because, well, if you're doing it how I'm doing it, it's extremely hot out and it's really easy to lose your mind doing it. Thankfully in the Tacoma, there's actually somewhere you can hide the wiring. So the wire, as you can see, you can't. It's hidden under this plastic thing, and that wire runs all the way down through there, and it still continues through here. Also, the one that's underneath here also is running through there and around, which is pretty sick because if you get in here, it looks absolutely stock, absolutely clean. Can't tell anything was done as far as modifications, which I like. We're almost done with wiring. You just have to wire every last bit into here. So all the wires are tucked in here. Let me show you a little bit better. Alrighty, so as you can see, the wires are now starting to poke out through here, but you can just tuck them in if you need to. I just wanted to leave a little bit of slack. So once you got all the wiring done, everything is good to go. Now it's time for cleanup. As far as cleanup, zip ties. I use zip ties and then I even tuck these away. At first, I just ran the cables. As part of the cleanup, I tucked the wires in and made sure everything was nice and snug. Everything looks very, very good. And in my opinion, probably one of my best ever installs. Now I have no idea how this is about to turn out. I haven't turned the truck on yet, but we're about to find out. So if I turn the truck on, the lights should turn on automatically, which they did, which is super cool. Let's see if we can see it in the back. Yeah, so that is pretty sick. I'm really happy with how this came out. I don't know about you guys, but it just adds a little bit of color, a little bit of pop to the inside of the truck. So that is pretty much all for the install of today's video. So if you guys did enjoy, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. But now we gotta wait for it to get dark enough to show you guys a little bit of a montage of what these RGB lights actually look like. Okay, so I don't know about you, but I think that is super sick. It's one of my favorite things to do to a truck. We originally bought that for Sandy's vehicle, but she ended up like not wanting to do it. I don't know why. Maybe you're on her side, but I definitely think it looks very sick. When you open the door, it just gives you that kind of like cool guy feeling. Maybe me being immature, but I think it looks cool. It's pretty freaking cool. If I don't say so myself, pretty freaking cool. I think she forgets that. Now I'm actually scared. Oh, she's still there. Nonetheless, back to the application. As you guys can see, it's pretty instantaneous as I change it. It's super sick. I don't know about you guys, but I'm in love with it. They have some other options on here that are pretty whack, I will admit. It has like music. It has music and then mic. Those are I will admit, stay away. But these, just being able to change the colors like whatever you want to do, that is pretty sick. I don't know, I think blue is my favorite color right now. But with that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, please leave a like, a comment, and a subscription. Let me know, have you guys done this on your truck, or have you done this on any other vehicle? I've done it on my last truck, and I will do it on this truck, and I think I'll do it on every truck I have. It's just a cool party trick. It takes like 10 minutes to install, and then once you do, like everyone that gets on your truck is like, oh, that's cool, did you do it yourself? And then when you tell them that you did it yourself, they're like, wow, you're like an engineer, genius type of guy. But no, really, it's really simple. You just watch a guy named Aing do it on YouTube, and you can amaze your friends like I did. If you're interested, they will be linked down below in the description. It helps out the channel if you buy them as well. I think they were like 20 bucks? $12. You have 12 bucks. Help a man out. But nonetheless, it's been your boy. I'm Like an Audi. I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.